Samsung may not change this. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you're all doing well. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 can be a most selling foldable phone of this year, but you shouldn't expect something new in it. As we see, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is in the news where we see some new changes in it, but Z Flip 4 is nowhere around and a few people only talks about it. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 will be launched in August along with the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Galaxy Watch 5, but what makes this phone attractive is its price and portability. Although some features in Galaxy Flip 3 needs to be changed in Galaxy Flip 4, but it seems like Samsung is not interested in it. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 or Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. Which one would you prefer? Now, according to leaks and rumors, and even DeHoyo came on his Twitter account said that Z Flip 4 is going to be the same as Galaxy Z Flip 3 expect internals. And we should be surprised to see this year we are not going to see a big difference in Galaxy Fold 4 device either. No new bigger outer display or different aspect ratio in inner display. But what changes we can expect in its processor is Snapdragon Gen 1 Plus with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. It is not confirmed if Samsung is going to use new super ultra thin glass in Galaxy Flip 4 since Galaxy Fold 4 is going to get it. Let's hope we may see in Galaxy Flip 4 which will improve its durability. Meanwhile, last year Galaxy Flip 3 battery was standing at 3300 mAh, which is a downside for that smartphone. Having a 6.7 inches display and that small battery, and comes with only 15 watt of fast charging. And now with Flip 4, you will be disappointed to hear that we can expect same battery in Galaxy Z Flip 4, because having a same design, it will be difficult for Samsung to put a bigger battery in it. And that is what we have seen in Galaxy Fold 4, which was confirmed the same news. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 price is debatable since we are seeing Galaxy Fold 4 price drop to around $100. According to Ross Young, we may see a price cut in upcoming foldable devices. Last year Z Flip 3 priced at $999, and this year we can expect price at $899 and a $1 cut on the price for Galaxy Z Flip 4. If you are complaining about the Galaxy Z Flip 3 cameras, then don't expect much from Galaxy Z Flip 4, because according to some rumors, we may see the same camera modules in the Galaxy Z Flip 4, 12 megapixel main lens and 12 megapixel ultra wide. But who knows, Samsung will give us a surprise and put 50 megapixel main lens the Samsung offers in Galaxy S22 lineup. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 or Galaxy Fold 4, which one would you prefer? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.